right, Ronnie. We got our dinero. Let's see. I'm coming over for my other dinero, Ronnie. I can't. Let's see. I'm trying to do this with one hand here. 10 bands, Rondo. Well, you owe me 5. I can't.
I'm on a mission, I'm fire. I get that target acquired. Claiming you pass me, you liar. Watch how I'm speeding right by you.
Let the attack begin. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great Sunshine State of Florida. And we're out here at the drag strip with my boy. Everybody know my crew chief, Ronnie Gunn. That's his Hellcat right there. And it's gonna be his first time going down the track today. So we're gonna see how he does. And like mine, this one's a manual. So we're gonna see how we do the first time, just a trial and error. And then we'll maybe air down and see what it does the next time around. So if this is your first time, or definitely not your first time checking out the channel, definitely tap that subscribe button down below, bell icon for future upload. Ding! Like, share, and subscribe again. And I said, Ronnie Guns, we're about to do some racing. First time at the track. We'll see how he does. Here go Ronnie over here bumping his gums as usual. You ready for today?
Oh yeah, I was born ready.
What you gonna do?
Time-wise, I'm aiming for 7.8.
Okay, look, he came in business. See his hat? 1320.
The godfathers of street racing.
And then, first time, Benjamin.
I'm a track virgin.
Ain't nothing wrong with that. So when you go, you already texting?
Not yet.
You go tech in, get your number, whatever number you want. We're gonna do a pro tree.
Yeah.
And don't put 69.
That's exactly what I was thinking. I bet you like Walmart had that out.
But yeah, we're gonna go do some walking around, tech-in. As I can say, here goes Ronnie car right here. Right now it's just a show beast. Manual. He got it all nice and purty. It is rocking a Mantic. You got a triple or a double? You got a triple or a double? Double. You can follow him on his Instagram, Black Betty 850. There goes Instagram right there, Black Betty 850. Ronnie, rocking the merch. Are you nervous?
No, because the first time I go, I'm not going to expect much. I just want to try to hit everything else.
No! Not wrong answer. First time.
No. Well,
give it all it's got.
This is the first 60 foot talking. Once I hook, I'm gone.
You're going to hook off the bat.
Okay.
Punch and go.
Yep.
Punch and go.
Get them tires to hook and I'm gone.
You got him some drag radials. You're good. Don't be scared, Ronnie.
No, I'm not. I'm not scared.
Okay. You heard that, guys. He said he's going to give it the beans. So, you're going to go out. I'm going to direct you what to do, if that's okay.
Yes.
All right. So, Ronnie's about to go tech in. We'll meet you at the tech station. Where's your helmet? Okay.
In case I do. I don't know if they're going to get
Ronnie, we live our life an 1/8 mile at a time here.
I'll put the helmet on.
Boy, DP. Where your car at, DP?
I just leave this one out, man.
I said, we'll give you number 1. I said, we're not going to ride on it. I said, when you go to staging lanes, let the guy do this. I said, he'll know it's number 69. I said, don't do it to my wife.
He said 69 isn't taken. You want it or you want a different number?
Yeah, we're on 69.
Okay.
Well, you want to put it on this one?
Yeah.
Right over your graphic.
No, just write it on the back. Yeah, don't write over the...
I actually have to
put it on the side, right?
Okay.
Not on the graphic, though.
Okay.
He's going to do a pro tree.
Okay, good. I'm glad you told me.
PT, yeah, right there.
Okay. And you don't matter if time posted.
No.
All right. TNT, number 69. Let me get a pen and get you started. All right. I go. Good talking
Oh, you're
to
gonna pull
man.
up? Turn off
I
your
hope you didn't
AC?
get me on video telling about that.
AC's off.
Track mode.
Yep. Track, and then I'm gonna turn it off and hold it down.
No, do it right now.
I know. And then you.
It's in track mode right
I know,
now.
but then I have to hold the button down because I've done this before like this, and then.
Yeah, that's what you want. The traction's off.
Yep,
You're good.
do it again. Now I have to hold control. I did it before with traction control, and it was hooking still. You just stopped me
All
from
right.
turning out.
Come on. Yeah, you go through the water.
I'll go through the water and then I'll burn out.
I'll let you come. I'll let you. I don't know if they're ready. I think they're about ready. So you're gonna do the burnout, hold it, then let it go, but just roll down to about between those two cones, and then I'll try and line you up on the first light. First light's gonna go, roll a little into the second light, stop, push the clutch in because you're gonna have to take your foot off of the brakes, and with the manual you might roll, and then you'll see the light go, and then when it goes green, just go. You're gonna need to take off at about 3,000 RPM if it's gonna stall down. All right. If you feel a little squirrely, just get out of it. All right, Ronnie, tell the people how you did on your first one.
Pretty solid.
You left out kind of light.
Slow. Yeah, I know, because I was feeling it out. Had to figure it out.
All right, what you got?
2460 and a 795 at 94. Yeah.
No. 8.
Oh, so 594 and 660. I was trying to.
Yeah, 660. That's the 8.
All right. Okay.
But
Oh, I can do better than that.
oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
It's your first time.
It felt good.
run.
It felt good. Once I got out to 60 and I knew I was hooking.
You see, I was saying,
felt
get
like
out of your burnout so much.
Yeah, I was burning too long.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I've never burned out in second gear, so
Yeah, it's a
I
higher
did. I was
wheel
like,
speed.
Yeah,
so.
and it was going. I'm like, oh,
Yeah.
okay. So then Yeah, I'll get out. I'll run it again here in a second.
Yeah, let it cool down.
Yeah.
So how you feel?
Good. Feel good?
You got the bug?
Yeah, I'm going again.
All right, let's go
Definitely
check.
got to put more power in it.
Hey, sir, what do you do for a living? What do you do for a living to afford this AMG, sir?
You're fucking up my focus. What do I do for a living?
Yeah.
I was a mission flyer one time, but I'm retired now.
You're gonna be racing him, Ronnie. All right. Ronnie, double or nothing, $5 grand. Don't let us down.
Okay, we got this.
We're gonna go to the. Well, I can't say that. My mom watches my videos.
Go ahead and put the whip on.
Yeah. All right. Remember.
Yeah.
All right. Here they go again with the rematch. Hey, no double bulbing.
Hey, I had to wait this time. It's okay.
Okay. All right.
I got my kid and my baby mama in here.
I think you're trying to show off. Hey,
I spun.
why you did the same thing again, man?
What? He did too.
I had to get up there on him.
Yeah, you spun. You had to
I
get
did.
out of it. You gave it too much sauce.
Too much sauce.
My Adidas was too excited.
Hey,
He said, Monica!
I did. I said that on the video. I said that, and I was like, no, Monica. I did. Oh, you dare double granny clutching it, double clutching it. You got it, man.
I know. All I'm saying is, I mean, you know what I mean? You talked about before that last video. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, triple or nothing next time.
Next, I gotta go home. I got a baby loader up in the back.
Next time.
All right, next time.
Okay.
I gotta have more than headers on that thing next time.
That means tomorrow I'm buying a tuner, a pulley, injectors.
That thing is faster than what I thought it was gonna be.
What?
Your car.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. And Ronnie, he didn't double bulb you this time, but he added extra insult to injury. Guess what he did? He had his baby mama in it.
They slowed me down 2.5 miles an hour.
Oh.
I got excited and spun the tires.
Oh,
Next time I better bring out. I need cooling mods and a pulley and a tune and radials next time.
No, you don't need that.
Well, then next time I'm bringing Maximus.
You said get up and run it first.
Oh, shots fired!
Hey, word on the street is that Bang doing repo that thing.
Oh, no.
That's all I'm saying.
That's the word on the street?
That's word, either that or he tries to order parts from Brian Carr. He said, just give me the money.
Oh man, but next race, that's a fast car, man. That's a fast car. It's the next day after the race, after Ronnie done let us down, and we lost $10,000 to an AMG. So Ronnie, you owe me 5 G's. I'm going to the bank today to get our 10 G's to pay our bet. So today on Saturday the lobby is closed, so I had to go through the drive-through. So stand by. Don't want to give you all my info. All right, Ronnie. We got our dinero. Let's see. I'm coming over for my other dinero, Ronnie. Dang, I can't. Let's see. I'm trying to do this with one hand here. 10 bands, Rondo. Well, you owe me 5. I can't believe you lost to it. Dang, got my fingers, everything, man. Can't believe you lost to an AMG, Ronnie. Ronnie, we have Ronnie here. He's helping me out today. How much money did you lose us last night, Ronnie?
I think $10,000.
What did you lose to?
A Mercedes. AMG.
It doesn't matter. It don't matter what the letters follows. What happened the last race? You had him on the launch. What happened?
I jumped, got him out the light, freed him, and got so excited my tires just spun and spun.
He got you the first time. He double bulbed you.
Yep. Got me all overexcited because he knows I'm a new guy.
Why did we accept the challenge of 5,000 double or none? We accepted it, so it's a team loss.
Team loss.
I need 5 G's from you.
Okay.
Hold
your breath.
Hold your breath.
I don't know what sleep is. I got a queen, she lit me the evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low, when no love goes. Women buddy like